Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn colors name. Parrot green color, yellow color, white color, pink color, red color, sky blue color, black color, green color. Today we will learn the alphabet A, B, C, D. We will paint the alphabet till Z. So let's get started. Orange color A. A for aeroplane. Purple color B. B for bat. Golden color C. C for candy. C for candy. Sky blue color D. D for dog. D for dog. Pink color E. E for engine. Engine. Bottle green color F. F for finger. Navy blue color G. G for guava. Guava. H. H for hat. I for ice cream. J. J for jelly. J for jelly. K. K for king. L. L for lily. L for lily. M. M for moon. M for moon. N. N for nest. O. O for ostrich. P. P for pigeon. Pigeon. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. S for snake. P. P for tomato. U. U for unicorn. V. V for van. W. W for whale. for xylophone. Y. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You have to practice this every day. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.